It seems simple, but there is a fascinating journey your request takes, all within your own machine. Today, we are diving deep. Most of us know localhost means this computer, but that is just the tip of the iceberg. First, your browser parses the URL you typed. It sees localhost. Now, normally, for a domain like google.com, the browser would ask the operating system to perform a DNS lookup to find an IP address. Your OS has a local file, often called the hosts file. This file is a simple text mapping of IP addresses to host names. And by default, it contains an entry, 127.0.0.1 localhost. So, the OS immediately knows localhost resolves to IP address 127.0.0.1 without ever hitting an external DNS server. So, what is special about 127.0.0.1? Do not send it out onto the physical network. It is a command to keep the communications strictly internal. Actually, any IP in the 127.0.0.0/8 range behaves this way, ensuring local traffic stays local. You can often see this interface listed in your system's network configuration, right alongside your physical Ethernet or Wi-Fi connections. When your browser wants to send data to 127.0.0.1, the OS directs that data not to your Wi-Fi or Ethernet card, but straight to this Loopback interface. That is where ports come in. When you type localhost :3000, you are saying connect to port 3000 on this machine. Your web server, like Node.js, Python Flask, Apache, or Nginx, that you started for development will have told the OS, hey, I am listening for connections on port 3000. The operating system uses this port number to deliver the request to the correct application, ensuring it reaches your specific web server. Your browser, the client, opens a socket and attempts to connect to the server socket, listening on 127.0.0.1 at the specified port. A TCP handshake involving SYN, SYNAC, and ACK packets occurs. This is all handled internally by the OS kernel to establish a reliable connection. Then your HTTP request, for example, a get/http/1.1 message, is sent from the browser process through the kernel to the server process. You can work offline. You can run databases, message queues, and other services locally for your application to interact with, all without exposing them to the outside world. Pretty cool, right? What seems like a simple command involves a sophisticated dance within your operating system. I hope this demystified what really happens when you type localhost. If you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe to Blackboard AI for more deep dives. Let me know in the comments what other tech mysteries you would like us to unravel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.